Draw an ion-dipole attraction between a potassium cation and acetone. We begin by drawing the Lewis structure for acetone. The electronegativity of carbon is 2.55. The electronegativity of oxygen is 3.44. This means that the bond between carbon and oxygen is polarized. We indicate this polarized bond by drawing the symbol for a dipole between the carbon and oxygen. The carbon-hydrogen bonds are not polarized. Hydrogen's electronegativity is 2.20 and carbon's is 2.55. Although there is a difference in the electronegativities, the difference is minor and thus the hydrogens are not polarized. We redraw the Lewis structure. Because there is only one polarized bond in a molecule of acetone, this polarized bond also represents the net dipole for the acetone molecule. We draw the net dipole for the acetone molecule. Opposite charges attract. The arrowhead of the net dipole represents a partial negative charge. We place the potassium cation next to the partial negative charge.